A creative team is collaborating on next month's issue of a popular magazine using Adobe InDesign. They keep their graphic assets in Box. The problem? Creative tools such as InDesign are built to work with files on a hard drive. Users need to work in a storage systems interface to find assets, then use copies of those assets in the creative tools. Adapting to asset updates can be a cumbersome manual process. Want a more efficient solution? Introducing Silicon Connector, the solution that seamlessly connects the world's favorite design and layout tool, Adobe InDesign, with the content management system, Box. Getting started is easy. After installing Connector, you can navigate Box to find the assets you need, right from within InDesign. You simply drag and drop an asset onto the document, and it creates a true URL-based link to that graphic or asset. Silicon Connector's most genius feature is its automatic creation of URL-based links for every asset placed in the project. And whenever those assets change on Box, InDesign notifies you immediately. You can then easily update a single asset or all assets to the latest version. You can even drag multiple design assets into your document all at once. Connect your team to its most crucial content with Silicon Connector. Instant, effortless, effective. Own it today.